as I mentioned before, this is part of my singing sessions. Oh, wonderful. We have over 70 people here on Zoom. This is part of my singing sessions, a song a day, a Yiddish song and a Russian song every day, sometimes a couple of songs, sometimes singing in parts. This is what my wonderful group has been doing here with me, and sometimes we have concerts from colleagues from all over the world. So this is the final session of this run. If you want to check us out, it's on my website, palinashepherd.co.uk, and you will see Sing With Me sessions. Anyone is welcome, anyone can join us. But today we are doing something unusual. We are joining together with Lawrence Glamberg, who is now in New York. I'm going to bring our faces and stop screen share. Stop screen share. Hello. So hello. Hey. 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 Wonderful. Hi. So this is Lawrence Glamberg. If anyone doesn't know, if everyone doesn't know yet. Hello. Yes, hello. So we are still admitting people. So let's give it a couple more minutes. Okay. Lauren, how are you there in New York? How are things?
I'm good, thanks. It's been started raining.
Oh wow.
I wasn't exactly expecting that, but the weather's been a little bit unpredictable.
All right.
I'm very happy to not be wearing a mask right now.
Right, at least at home we don't have to do it.
It would make singing a little difficult.
Okay, right, so people are still joining. So Lauren, I think you're starting today's intercontinental performance. Yeah?
Yeah.
Shall we do it? Let me just see people here. Let me just see people's faces. Shall we do it? You ready? These are people on Zoom. You're ready? Wonderful. Good to see you all. Thank you very much for joining us. Lovely. All right, Lauren, I think they're all yours. Here we go. Okay.
Wir seien gestanden in Zweien, es hat noch nicht getockt. Fällt vorbei und Boden, und es hat mir dem Segen gesagt. Sie setzt du auf unsere Rückens, dem schweren eisernen Joch. Können wir nicht gehen, nicht fliehen, kriegt mir ein Biss und ein Stoch. Zusammen kennen wir uns, so seiner schon ein Tag eine Woche. Wird schon fallen, 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 jetzt ist heute alter Jahr, als ich soll ziehen in der Mitte und du sollst ziehen in der Seite, wird schon fallen, 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 der Mut werden wir befreit. Schon lange Jahren stehen wir abgedrückt in dem Bruch. Es minnet sich mein Keuch und es wird als schwerer der Joch. Weil Gott zu voll und verschamet, doch halt wie ein Zwang. Nur wenn ich halt schon beim Fallen, hör ich dem Segensgesang. Zusammen kennen wir an uns, soll seine Show ein Tag eine Woche. Wird schon fallen, 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 der zippt heute alter Joch. Als ich zu ziehen in der Mitte und du sollst ziehen in der Seite, wird schon fallen, 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 der wird werden wir befreit. nicht sein kann. Es hat immer weggetrocknet der Wind und ich steh da wie am Mond. Es gehen neue Kinder vorbei, streck ich zu sehen die Hände und sing vor jedem Segenslied, was hat mir gelernt. Zusammen kennen wir ein Neues, soll seine Show ein Tag a Woche. Wird schon fallen, 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 dämmer heute halter ja, als ich soll sehen in der Mitte und du sollst sehen in der Seite. Wird schon fallen, 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 dämmert werden wir befreit. Da, 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 schon fallen, 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 dämmert werden wir befreit.
Hey, thank you. Hey. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks, Lawrence. So that was Lawrence Glamberg, and here is Merlin Shepherd. Merlin Shepherd, whom who broke his arm over a month ago, just after playing a concert here. But today, he's back on stage after that period. So let's see how this works.
It was 6 weeks ago, so I'm out of plaster and I'm kind of working. Let's see what happens.
Bravo.
Right. Well, thank you very much. You know what? I'm unmuting you when we finish a number, so you can clap, and we see you clapping. So here we are. Now I've lost Lauren, so I don't know where he is. Let me see. Lauren, where are you? Can you unmute yourself and show your lovely face to us? Hello, Mr. Sklamberg, where are you?
He's vanished.
He's gone. He's left us.
He's vanished. He's left the room.
Where is he? Right. You know what? If you're putting something in chat, we will read it later. Merlin, people are saying bravo, so I guess that's good news. He can play. He's back to playing. So oh yeah, here he is. Here is Lauren. So put things in chat. Put things into our wallets. there's a way of paying us, which is always appreciated. And if you are watching this on Facebook with a slight delay, share it with people, put your comments there. We won't have time to comment on anything as we're doing this. Okay, this is a short gig, so we want to play as much music as we can. Lauren, are we doing something together now?
I believe we're singing.
Yes, we are.
Hooray!
Yes.
I just want to say it's really heartening to hear Merlin play.
Oh,
Thank you, Lauren.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you. You know what?
Wow.
You know what, Lauren?
What?
Because you're so happy to hear me play, I'm gonna show you this. Wait.
you're not. There is no picture.
Wait. I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
Oh, thank you so much.
Di qua. Così.
Keine weiß es nicht, da viele du allein, noch sein dem Tod, wo sie bin in der Stadt. Geht die Bänkschaft da über alle Gassen und alle Beine, Svennen grinen mit anajem so.
Keiner weiß es nicht, a viele du allein. Noch ich soll nicht gehen, trug ich mit sich dein Blick. Wie ein Kamel mit an die Kreuz Spruch, dem Spruch zum Gurt, also ein Ort und also weit und Glück.
Keine weiß das nicht, a viele du allein, als wenn Einsame mit mir die Schoen stehen.
Dann fier ich mit den Fingerspitzen über meine Lippen und nehm von sie herab dein Name, wie hat viele.
Lovely.
Beautiful. Beautiful, lovely.
Oh, beautiful.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I heard people playing some instruments and singing along with us. That's wonderful. Please do. And we can hear a bit of your singing and playing here when I unmute you. So it's quite lovely
Natasha Gustafsson wants to say
to
something.
know that Natasha Gustafsson wants to say something. Natasha, say something. Do we see you? Natasha, you want to say something?
No.
Yeah.
Thank you, but no, I didn't press the button. Lovely. Thank you very much, Paulina. Merlin Shepherd.
Okay, because we saw Natasha plays guitar with all the, every time at our sessions, the Sing With Me sessions, she does that. So nice that you are playing with us today here as well. So Merlin, I think it's my song next. So my Russian choir members have just started singing this song, learning this song. It's a Russian folk song before the lockdown. We just, I think we just went through the first verse or two verses with each choir. So today, I know that there are some of my Russian choir members here, both Brighton and London Russian choir members. I hope you're here and you may be singing all these harmonies with me. Let's hope you do.
I may need my glasses for this.
You don't need your glasses. So this is about a young woman who loses her ring and she feels her heart goes what's the word? Pitter-patter. Yeah, whatever. And she gets worried about her beloved who left and she doesn't know where to find him. So she will go into faraway land and the crescent moon will show her the way. Сранила колечко до правой руки, забила сердечко, а милом дружке. Ушел он далеко, ушел по весне, не знаю искать где, какой стороне. У белой березы вечерней порой я жду, не дождусь родного надену я платье, к милому пойду, а месяц дорогу.
Paulina, thank you.
Paulina.
Sing it again.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Anyone crying? If no one is crying, then my job is not done. Okay, what's next? What are we doing? Oh, Lauren, you need to unmute yourself. And we're doing the next song.
Hey, I'm back.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Right. This is a song that was collected by Ben Stonehill, recorded in a hotel lobby in 1948, and was brought to my attention by the Yiddish professor Miriam Isaacs, who's been working on preserving this collection. It's probably a misnagdic song, which means that it is from outside the Hasidic world and possibly poking a little gentle fun at the pomp and splendor of Hasidic community. So the joy of the Sabbath is Bim, the celebration of the Sabbath is Bum. So, Gabe, Mr. Sexton, what does the rabbi want? The rabbi wants that that his wife should bring the first course, which would be the fish, because look, he's already sitting at the table. What does the rabbi want now? He wants that his wife should bring him the soup, because look, he's already rubbing his belly. What does the rabbi want next? Well, of course, he wants the main course, the meat, because he's been waiting for a whole day for that delight. So this is Der Oinek von Shabbos is Bim, Der Teinig von Shabbos is Bom, Der Oinek von Shabbos, Der Teinig von Shabbos is Bim Bom. Oi Gabe, was braucht der Rebbe? Die Rebbetzin soll bringen die Fisch. Als der Rebbe sitzt schon beim Tisch. Der Oinek von Shabbos ist Bim. Der Teinig von Shabbos ist Bom. Der Oinek von Shabbos, der Teinig von Shabbos ist Bim Bom. Oi Gabe, was braucht der Rebbe? Die Rebbetzin soll bringen die Sieb. Als der Rebbe kratzt sich beim Bauch. Der Oinek von Shabbos ist Bim. Der Teinig von Shabbos ist Bom. Der Oinek von Shabbos, der Teinig von Shabbos ist Bim Bom. Oi Gabe, was braucht der Rebbe? Die Rebbetzin soll bringen das Fleisch. Es ist schon a Riber, a ganzer Messles. Der Oinek von Shabbos ist Bim. Der Teinig von Shabbos ist Bom. Der Oinek von Shabbos, der Teinig von Shabbos ist Bim Bom.
That's fun.
I like that.
That's fun. Mute all. Let's mute all. Right.
We have. Oh, Polly, you're muted.
How did that happen? I'm the boss here. I shouldn't be muted. Okay.
Going?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Будьте здоровы, живите богато, а мы уезжаем до дому, до хаты. празднике вашем нигде не видали мы праздник, как Раша.
Leben eier Majontex is a feld on a toll, so blien doch rechten bei Eichhornet so. Zum Wasser fließen in eiere Teichen und gänzlich so geben eich Federe weichen.
Как в вашем колхозе широкое поле, пускай же для счастья цветет ваша доля. Пусть в речках светлые воды, пусть плавают в речках гусей хороводы.
Und noch sollt ihr haben, doch wir sind Stiebel, nicht sach und nicht wenig, nur jährlich a Kindle. Es wird euch mit Arn a bissel mehr, als Gott wird euch schicken, doch Kinder a zweite.
Чтоб к вам приезжали желанные гости, чтоб люди на вас не имели бы злости, чтоб дружной работою вашей бригады все были довольны и рады.
Dem Weg zu euch kennen wir gut, liebes Rohren, und kommen in Gäst, weil wir auf keinen Hore. Bei wer auf nichts Neuem und wer auf a Kuppe, wir finden zu euch frische Alles a Kuppe.
Так, будьте здоровы, живите богато, а мы уезжаем до дому, до хаты.
А мы уезжаем до дому, до хаты.
Hey, brilliant. Wonderful.
Yay!
Idea what it means is wonderful. Lovely.
Ah, wonderful. It looks like we've lost one person, Raquel Yofa, who is trying to join us and she can't come in. If you know who that is, text to them to go on Facebook because I don't know what happened. We see them joining and not joining. All right, but we have a lovely number of 90 people here on Zoom. So that's the biggest one yet. Hooray! Hooray to us! Hooray to us. Now, Merlin, I think we have your next entry here.
My entry? That's
Yes,
so
your,
painful.
your next. All right.
We've got 46 on Facebook.
Okay, we have more on Zoom because these are our people.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, here comes Merlin Shepherd. What are we playing?
I'm playing clarinet. I believe you're
Which
playing
key?
piano.
Okay.
It's going to be in B when it gets there.
Right.
Yeah.
Merlin Shepherd.
Bingo.
Merlin, yes.
Bingo, bingo.
Thank you very much. That was Merlin Shepherd's appearance on the show, on stage, first time after his breakage of the arm.
This
People
one.
are still, yes, which one?
This one,
This one, yeah, the one he's playing most notes with.
the one that hurts.
Nobody needs to know that. Yes, that's our artist life. So this, I think the coming number is our last number for today. And I hope you enjoyed our concert, but let's finish together on the song that certainly my choir members know. And we recorded in August with 80 people in my choir, and that will be hopefully on the coming CD, on the new program with 150 voices that Lauren and I are doing together with my choirs and the wonderful Yiddish chorus in Boston. I know we have Penny here from Boston. Any other people from Boston? Yeah. Okay, so, and this is about Russian fields and the little Jewish house in the little Jewish village and the journey from Hutor to Shtetl. And we need Lauren Sklenberg. Where are you? Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Im Winter vernachten auf russische Felder, wo kennt man sein Ernte, wo kennt man sein Ernte, a Fädel an Autos, a Skritten der Schlitten, a Schlag auf a Schnitte, und ich bin inmitten.
Von unten in einziger Winkel in Blassen, die können ab die Hände passen.
Von vorn verspricht sich a Mittel, a Weißer, und weiter zu sehen ist a zendlicher Heiser. Dort tremmelt a Hutter, versunken in Schneen, zum jiddischen Heisel für Stetschkele gehen.
Домишка, как все, только окна повыше, и я там со старой среди ребятишек.
Und eng ist mein Weltel und klein ist mein Rebel. In 2 Wochen einmal von Hutter in Städtel und Bänken in Schweigen, von Felder, von Breiten, von Wegen und Weglen, verschnitten, verwehte.
И веет тоскою немой безнадежной от этой дороги завьюженной снежной.
Im Winter vernachten auf russische Felder, wo kennt man sein Ente, wo kennt man sein Ente?
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you very much, everyone.
Wow.
Let's have your applause here. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thanks for coming.
Come again.
Amazing, beautiful.
If we ever meet again.
Steigersohn, Steigersohn.
Oh.
Keep well, keep safe. I hope to see you somewhere again. If you've missed it, a few people just joined us at the very end. Watch us on Facebook again. Thank you very much. Thank you, Lauren.
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks
you
for
very
coming.
much, everyone.
Thank you.
And
Bye.
bye.
Bye.